Oh. Okay. Oh, this thing does not want to turn right. That seems like a problem. There is no grip there. That's okay. We don't have to turn right that many times, right? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh god! Okay, we did it! We did it! We did it! We made it out! Oh my god, it's so icy! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so icy! I have no grip on that tire. Okay. Okay. Good. That was okay. Let's get some space. Come on, let's get some space, hopefully. Work with me, tire. Oh, we're bouncing. If those guys could battle back there, that would be great.
Two seconds later.
Well, that was fun. That's a little cart dying. I had some space too, that's unfortunate. Yeah, no, Dave, you got me. Oh, no. Not you too, Dennis. I don't think so. Not on that one, at least. Man, there goes my space. That's okay. It's all for fun. Don't leave that door open, Dave. I'm gonna take it. I know Dennis is behind me too, so I gotta watch out. I see him peeking in there. Oh! Oh boy, that's fun. Oh wait, what happened? Was that maybe Dennis was? No, Dennis was there, was it? What happened to Dennis? Did he take an extra lap somehow? Did he take an extra lap in the oval? Oh, sorry, Dave. No!
2 seconds later.
It's fine, I don't care. It's okay. There's some circumstances that were outside my control that have put me into third place. But that's okay. We're here for fun. We're here for fun. Stuff happens. We don't care. Just here for funsies. Nice. Oh gosh. Whoa, Brandon. That's some cheats right there, Brandon. Oh my god. Well, we were making mistakes at the beginning of this race, huh? Oh, my tires are so slidey. Everything's going wrong. Okay. Who's the one behind me? I think it's Dave. Oh my god. Oh. I gotta get used to this cart. There's something weird about it. It's very slidey. Oh, Brandon. Okay. We got some pressure on you. Oh no! Okay. Oh my god, that's... very unforgiving if you get hit in this dang oval. You just gotta do your best to stay on the damn inside. Another factor, if we get too far ahead, is there will be some traffic to have to contend with in the oval. And that is gonna change some things. We're getting space. We can do time trial strategies. We don't gotta defend. My wrist hurts. Yes, okay, good. Good. Navigated traffic successfully. That was good. That was really good. Ugh. Nice. Good traffic navigation. Let's go, boys. Traffic rules. Still got to be consistent though. It's really easy to mess up here and just lose a boatload of time. So this isn't like nothing is given at the moment. We still have to not mess up. And if someone catches me, they could easily squeeze their way in. Oh, my back hurts. Everything hurts. Please like and subscribe if you have random pains as well. Thank you. I love you. Oh, that hopping's fun. Let's go! What's that? In there? I don't think you're gonna fit in there. I got a feeling you're not gonna fit in there. Oh yeah? I don't think it's gonna happen. There's not enough room for you to fit in there.
You guys are off in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so hard.